The Arctic, as we know it, is rapidly changing. Across coastal Alaska, the changing environment is impacting infrastructure and livelihoods. To guide research that will help communities understand these impacts and inform future plans, we are seeking collaborations with residents, stakeholders, and researchers. The NNA Planning Grant Project, Coastal Arctic Communities in the Context of Climate Change, Interaction between Coastal and Riverine Processes and the Built Environment, is a collaboration between Nina Stark from Virginia Tech, Emily Edom from the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, and Kevin Franke from Brigham Young University. Nina is an expert in geotechnical aspects of coastal processes and subaquatic sediment dynamics. She has conducted field measurements focusing on sediment properties and dynamics in nearshore environments in Alaska and the Yukon Territory. Emily is a coastal oceanographer and geologist who studies sediment transfer through river and continental shelf systems. Kevin is an expert in geotechnical engineering and using unmanned aerial vehicles or drones to remotely collect data from sites of interest. The project goals of this planning grant are to develop research hypotheses and questions investigating relationships between natural coastal and riverine processes and the Arctic built environment, with special emphasis on climate change. After research hypotheses have been developed, the project aims to identify data collection and monitoring strategies that are sustainable in the long term and applicable over a wide range of locations. Then, the project will identify specific expertise and needs and assemble a diverse and interdisciplinary research team that is well suited to apply the identified data collection methods and address the research hypotheses. A crucial component of these project goals is the engagement of Arctic coastal communities and stakeholders to set a pathway to integrate and engage community and stakeholders into the future research team and research efforts. The team approaches the project goals in 3 phases. Phase 1 is a workshop with focus on the development of research questions and hypotheses. The 2-day workshop was held in April 2021 and featured over 20 participants, including Alaskan community members and stakeholders, academics, and federal and state agencies. A summary report and white paper are in preparation. Phase 2, anticipated for spring 2022, will involve the research team members visiting Arctic coastal communities to learn locally about coastal and riverine processes of concern and their interaction with infrastructure. Community visits are anticipated for spring 2022. Phase 3, which is planned for fall 2022, will include a second workshop with emphasis on data collection and monitoring strategies. This will also be a key step towards development of a core research team to prepare a larger research effort proposal.